The sun beat down on the streets of Devpur, casting a golden glow over the chaos that had erupted. Raghav and Jaya, a young couple, navigated the crowded streets, desperate to escape the evil green zombies that seemed to be everywhere. The zombies, with their glowing green eyes and decaying flesh, shambled and stumbled through the streets, their moans and groans filling the air. Raghav and Jaya waved through the crowd, Raghav's arm wrapped protectively around Jaya's waist. As they walked, the couple's hearts pounded in their chests. They had been walking for hours, but it felt like an eternity since they'd left their home. The zombies seemed to be closing in on them from all sides, their numbers endless. Raghav pulled Jaya into a narrow alleyway, hoping to avoid the worst of the crowd. But even here, the zombies found them. Raghav fought them off, using his fists and whatever he could find to defend himself and Jaya. Finally, after what seemed like an eternity, they saw a glimmer of hope. A small residence stood before them, its doors and windows intact. Raghav and Jaya stumbled towards it, their legs aching and their bodies exhausted. They pushed open the door and collapsed inside, locking the door behind them. For a moment, they simply lay there. But they knew they couldn't stay here forever. The zombies would find them eventually, and they had to be ready. Raghav and Jaya slowly got to their feet. They knew the struggle to survive was far from over. The zombie apocalypse had only just begun, and Raghav and Jaya were determined to make it through, together.